Hello students, how are you? Today in this module I'll give a quick overview of different types of plastics and their uses through this table. Here in this table, first one is bakelite. It is harder than other plastics and is a good electrical insulator. It is used for making buttons, plugs, switches and other electrical things. Second one is formica and melamine. It is hard and smooth surface. It is used as tabletops and for making crockery. Third one is perspex. It is transparent like glass but much stronger than glass. Used as a substitute for glass for making windows in airplane and windscreens of cars. Fourth one is polythene or polyethylene. It is strong but flexible. It can be rolled into sheet or molded into any shape. It is water resistant. Polythene containers are used to store liquids. Sheets of polythene are used to pack liquids such as milk. Polythene pipes are used to transport liquids such as oil or water. Next one is polyvinyl chloride, PVC. It is tougher than polythene. It is an insulator. It is used to make shoes, handbags, furniture, upholstery, flowers, coverings, raincoats and bottles. It is used as a covering over electric wires. Next one is polystyrene. It is easily molded. It is used for packaging for delicate materials like electronic items. It is used to insulate the hollow walls of refrigerators. Teflon or PTFE, that means polytetrafluoroethane. It is slippery, not affected by heat and does not react chemically with other substances. It is used as a non-stick coating on pans and other cooking utensils. Plastic is non-biodegradable. It means it takes many years to decompose. It causes environment pollution by accumulation. The pollution caused by plastics can be reduced by reducing the usage of plastic, recycling of used plastic and reuse it. Conservation action. The plastic pollution is a serious problem and a prompt action is required, such as warning label should be printed indicating danger of plastic pollution on plastic wrappers and bags, and shoppers should be encouraged to use their own cotton bags or recycled paper bag. The plastic should be less used in packaging that is usually thrown away immediately, which causes blockage of drains and sewer lanes. Reproduce percolation of water into the soil. What is percolation? After the rainwater percolate and went inside and recharge the groundwater. We should develop the habit which are environment friendly. Say no to plastic bags because they are non-biodegradable. We should always take cotton carry bag or jute bag while going for shopping. We should encourage the shopkeeper to deliver the goods in paper bags which are biodegradable, and we should save the environment from pollution. Say no to plastic, save our environment, from pollution. As a responsible and environment friendly citizen, we should remember 4R principle. First one is reduce. This means to use the environmental resources in a sustainable way and prevent the wastage. For example, we can reduce the usage of plastic materials. Second one is reuse. This means we can reuse the same thing many times. For example, using a polythene bag again for different purposes. Third one is recycle. This means things are processed and may get converted into some other products so that they can be used again and again. For example, plastics are recycled. Fourth one is recover. This means a safe and eco-friendly alternative should be used in place of thing. For example, using a clothing bag instead of a polythene bag. Next, I will display a short video. Watch it keenly.
Ma'am, what are non-biodegradable material?
Biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. Biodegradable material. A material which gets decomposed through the natural process such as action of bacteria is called biodegradable. Example, cloth, jute, paper, wood. Non-biodegradable material. A material which is not easily decomposed by the natural process such as action of bacteria. It is called non-biodegradable material and hence cause pollution. Now you can understand the effect of plastic and environment. Plastics on environment. They are not eco-friendly as they pollute the environment as they are non-biodegradable. They block the drains and cause unhygienic condition. Plastic waste can choke the respiratory system of animal like cow, and this can cause the death of these animals. They produce poisonous gases if burned and cause air pollution.
Ma'am, how can we save our environment?
We can take steps only to reduce the use of plastics wherever possible by following R's rule. Try to reduce the use of plastics. Use paper bag or cloth bag instead of polythene bags. Try to reuse the plastic, that is, by using the plastic containers which comes with jam and pickle. Recycle the old plastic by sending them to the plastic industry.
I hope you have very clearly understood this lecture. As I reported yesterday about the class test, were you ready to take the test? Very good. Take a test notebook. Sit and write the test in front of your parent. Post your answers to my personal number. Thank you, children.